All right, welcome to the channel. So this is a Travel Saving Pro. We're showing you different ways we are saving enormous amounts of money. Those of us that are on this channel, check this out. My family and I are going to the Reunion Resort Golf Club, Resort and Golf Club. This place is incredible. We're going in December. We're actually going on vacation for 3 weeks in December. We just got back from vacation. If you've been a subscriber to the channel, you saw one of our last videos. I think I uploaded 2 videos back I guess it's been about 2 months ago now, maybe 3 months ago. Time flies. But this year's been a crazy year for all of us. But Orlando, we can drive to Orlando. It's a great place. The kids love it. It's a great city. We're going down there. We're staying at the Reunion Resort. We're going back to the Sheraton Vistana. If you didn't see our video on the Sheraton Vistana, go ahead and look above. You should see the video show up above. You can watch that. I showed the actual room that we stayed in. It was an incredible room. I'll put the video down in the description as well. You can take a look at that as well. By the way, if you love taking vacations, make certain that you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon so you can get notified anytime that we upload a video. Okay, so here we go. This is a picture. This is a Reunion Resorts website. This resort is very interesting. It's actually owned by 2 different companies. The Wyndham Properties owns one side, and I think it's Worldmark that owns the other. So we're going down to Florida for a total of 3 weeks. We're going to be staying at the Sheraton Vistana week 1. The second 2 weeks, we're going to be staying at the Reunion Resort. Now, I requested that we stay on the Worldmark side, and I requested that we stay on the Wyndham side. I wanted to kind of compare the 2 sides so I could bring that to you in a video. So after we go to this resort, I'll actually bring you a video where I'll show you the rooms and the comparisons and whatnot. So if you want to see that, again, just make certain that you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can know once those videos get uploaded. So here's the resort itself. We're going to look at what's the best price you could get online right now, and I'm going to tell you how much we got. Spoiler alert, we saved a ridiculous sum of money on this resort. Like, it is unreal. So here we are, Reunion Resort and Golf Club, Kissimmee, Florida, December 4th to December 18th. So we're leaving the Friday after Thanksgiving, and that week we're going to go stay at the Sheraton. And then the next 2 weeks, December 4th to December 18th, we're going to be at the Reunion. I'm very excited about this property. So here's the resort. Select availability. Now we're staying in a 3-bedroom unit. They have a lot of different types of units available. They even have homes available that you can rent. We're staying, and let's just take a look at some of these properties, some of these pictures real quick, because this place is incredible. Now, here's what's crazy. You would think there would be some killer deals right now. Maybe there are some killer deals. My kids are going to have a blast in that pool. And there. This is awesome. This is a similar unit to what we'll be staying in, although we probably won't be on our ground floor. This is a ground floor unit. You see it walks out to a golf course. A lot of the units, there's 54 golf courses on site. There's several restaurants. There's a fine dining restaurant. In fact, I should probably, let me see. Should I show you? Is it resort activities? Let's quickly take a look at resort activities. They have a sushi restaurant. Oh, by the way, the COVID update, basically everything's open. I was reading through it a while ago before I started this video. They have a water park on property. COVID 7 Eagles, that's their pool. Several community pools. Golf. Oh, foot golf. This is awesome. Basically, it's a little bit like football. Kickball, except you have a big ball and a really big hole. Tennis, pickleball, bocce ball, bike rentals, golf cart rentals. We'll actually probably do that. Fitness classes, miniature golf. We'll definitely do that. Playgrounds, of course, the kids are going to love the playgrounds. Okay. That would make sense when you see some of these pictures. That's one of the pools at one of the homes. This is similar to the suite we'll be in. Overlooking the golf course. It's a beautiful property. I'm really excited to go there. Absolutely incredible. Look at the size of that shower. That's enormous. Great balconies. Just incredible. A lot of different decorating floor plans as well. I mean, the floor plans are similar in the similar units, but the decorations are different from one unit to the next. I really like that a lot. Instead of the same cookie cutter decorations over and over again. Balconies are enormous at this resort. Absolutely enormous. We won't be in this little balcony. I don't know what resort that would be or what property that would be. Our balcony will look more like this. All right. So, incredible. By the way, I should show you the room that we're going to be in, just so you know, because we're going to be in the villas. And I'm actually going to, when we go to the property, I'm going to give you a tour of the entire property so you can see for yourself. We're in the Superior Villas, in a 3-bedroom Superior Villa. So here's the floor plans. This is what the floor plan looks like, or is what it should look like. You come in, there's a bedroom to the left. It's got 2 double beds in there with its own bathroom. Bedroom to the right, its own bathroom. You come to the kitchen, dining room, living room, master bedroom with its basically 2 closets here, and then its own master bathroom. You can access the terrace, which is a very much an oversized balcony right here. If you've ever been to Polynesian Isle Resort by chance in the Orlando area, they go the full length just like Polynesian Isle, but they're much wider, much nicer balconies, look much nicer. All right, so let's see what the prices are that we can get this for. Remember, it's a 3-bedroom Superior Villa. 2-bed, that's not it. 1 bedroom, nope. We do have water park access with ours too. Superior 2-bedroom, deluxe, nope. Superior 3-bedroom villa with water park access. Yep, that's it, because we're not in a 4-bedroom house. This is it. So let's do the cheapest one. You're not going to believe what we're getting this place for. They're charging for those 2 weeks $3,500, but that's before their resort taxes and fees. If you know anything about Florida, the resort taxes and fees are intense. So here we go. $4,539.60. We're getting this property, this unit, same unit, like as you see right here, same unit, everything. The floor plan I showed you, everything. We're getting this unit for, let me get a calculator. We're getting it for $600 out the door. That's including resort fee, taxes, everything. So literally, get this. Oh, that's wrong. Yeah, 4,539 minus 600. We're saving $3,939. Let me tell you why this is so crazy. So the way that we're getting the savings, we purchased this travel package back 16 years ago. And the package, the international package is $3,995. This vacation alone saves us $3,939. Now we use this thing to go to Bora Bora. We went on a cruise last year I think it was. We went on a cruise. Actually, I have a video on this channel about that. I'll link that above, or I'll put it down in the description. You can watch that. It's the Alaskan Cruise video. When we went to the Sheraton Vistana, which I talked about earlier in this video, I mean, we went there. We saved over $3,000 that week. I mean, it's absolutely nuts at the savings that we're able to get. And we don't pay like the $3,995. People are always like, do you pay resort fees? Not resort fees. Do you pay like timeshare fees, etc.? Is it a timeshare? No, it's not a timeshare. We don't pay maintenance fees. You don't pay nothing. Like you're not obligated to have to pay anything else once you actually purchase a membership, except for the cost of the resort, which in this case is $600, not $4,539. It's absolutely insane. By the way, go check out some of the other videos on this channel. You can see some of the savings that people have gotten. This is just this is one of the better savings for sure, but it's insane at the amount of savings that we're getting. Now, like I said, stay tuned, because in the next video, I'm going to be showing you, or the next video I record for this channel, I'm going to be showing you us actually walking through the unit and maybe even walking around the property a little bit, that sort of thing, just so you can get a better idea of the savings and what we actually get. Because, you can see something online, but what is it when you actually get there. So I'm going to be able to show you that as well. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, if you love to travel, you love to vacation, and you love to save money, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon, and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.